What if everything you see, every star, every atom, every thought is not the result of blind chance? What if the universe is not just something that exists, but something that knows it exists? For centuries, humanity has asked the same haunting question: is the universe a random accident or a conscious being? From a violent beginning, the universe somehow organized itself. Chaos gave birth to order. Simple particles became atoms. Atoms became stars. Stars forged planets. And on one small world, matter became alive. Randomness can create chaos, but can it create meaning? Physics tells us something astonishing. If gravity were slightly stronger, the universe would collapse. If it were weaker, galaxies would never form. The same is true for dozens of cosmic constants. This perfect balance is called fin, too precise to ignore, too mysterious to fully explain. Science offers three main explanations. 1. It's pure coincidence. 2. We live in a multiverse, countless universes exist, and we just happen to be in a lucky one. 3. There is a deeper organizing principle we do not yet understand. Science stops at the edge of the measurable, but the question doesn't stop there. Before we ask whether the universe is conscious, we must ask, what is consciousness? Is it just neurons firing? Is it information processing? Or is consciousness something more fundamental, like space or time? Modern neuroscience says consciousness emerges from complex matter. Enough neurons interacting and awareness appears. But here's the problem. We can describe brain activity, yet consciousness itself, the feeling of being, remains unexplained. This mystery is called the hard problem of consciousness. Why does physical matter produce subjective experience? Why is there something it feels like to exist? Physics has equations, biology has mechanisms, but awareness itself has no formula. Some scientists propose a radical idea: reality itself is mathematics. If the universe is mathematical, could consciousness be the universe reading its own code? Philosophy goes further. Plato believed reality was shaped by eternal forms. Spinoza believed God and the universe were the same thing. Eastern traditions saw consciousness as the foundation of reality. Across cultures, the idea repeats: consciousness is not inside the universe. The universe is inside consciousness. One modern philosophical view is panpsychism. The idea that consciousness exists at every level of reality. Not human awareness, but a basic form of experience embedded in matter itself. If consciousness is fundamental, then the universe may not be conscious like a human, but like an immense, distributed mind. Stars as neurons, gravity as communication, chemistry as memory, quantum physics adds fuel to the mystery. Particles behave differently when observed. Reality seems to respond to awareness. Does consciousness shape reality, or does reality require consciousness to exist? Another idea suggests reality is a simulation. If true, then consciousness might not emerge from the universe, but be external to it. The universe becomes a system. Consciousness becomes the user. Ancient esoteric traditions go even further. They claim consciousness is eternal. Matter is temporary. The universe is a manifestation of a single cosmic awareness. In this view, the universe is not created, it is dreamed. This leads to the ultimate question: is consciousness what we once called God? Not a being in the sky, but an infinite, self-aware field expressing itself as reality. Skeptics argue these ideas go too far. Science demands evidence, not wonder, and they are right. But science itself began with curiosity, with daring to ask impossible questions. Right now, no one knows the answer. The universe may be random, it may be conscious, or it may be something far stranger than both. Because if the universe is conscious, then we are not accidents. We are expressions, ways the universe experiences itself. Maybe consciousness didn't emerge from the universe. Maybe the universe emerged from consciousness. The universe may never answer us. But the fact that it produced beings capable of asking may already be the answer. If this question made you think, like the video, subscribe for more science, philosophy, and cosmic mysteries. Because understanding the universe starts with understanding ourselves.